Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, as promised, a follow-up on that 400 that I picked up today. It is repaired, it's cleaned up, it actually looks pretty respectable. As you see, actually runs quite well. So I've got a consist over here. It's going to be its first trip around the rail since I reassembled it and repaired it. So this is a Lionel consist pulling 10 cars, I think. It's heavy. So, for a Marx 400, that's not bad, even with the double reduction motor in it. It doesn't weigh anything. But it now has the same motor as the Marx 666. Anyway, $10 and a few minutes of my time to repair that rear plate. But as you see, it's actually running quite well. It's not perfect, but it was cheap. And it'll run until I die, so it was definitely worth $10. And that's why I always stress, don't overlook the junk. It sat there because it looked terrible. When you go looking for a locomotive, look beyond the grime and the dirt and the damage. Look at the motor itself. I mean, that's technically the locomotive. You get the motor running, you can always find another shell, you can repair the shell. In this case, a few minutes with soap and water made it look 1,000% better. It was definitely worth the $10, and I had more than $10 worth of fun just finding it, bringing it home, and repairing it. It was a rather gray, rainy day here today. When I found this, everything was okay. Anyway, it's always gratifying to pick up a decent running locomotive at a bargain price. As you see, it runs splendidly. No problems with this at all. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video. I gotta say it, don't overlook the junk. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.